We did. You know, all days is the best days. Smile, Courtney. Let me see you. Smile. Smile. Come on. Look up. Look up, my dude. There you go.
Give me a cigarette.
I hate you! Stop it!
Can you give me a cigarette, please? Stop doing
I want you off of me!
Oh,
Get
God.
the camera off of me!
Oh, cheers, baby. In town bound, baby.
Look, when you run and die, go like to the side. Bow!
Sweaty.
No, I'm talking about my buddy.
Ow. Yeah, I caught him. Y'all see that?
Boy. No,
Y'all see that?
That's what I'm talking about, buddy.
Yeah.
Go cover them teeth. Cut the side.
Bow. Ooh.
That sound like it, right?
Ow. Go.
You want to see me do something?
Yeah, go.
Let me see you do something. Twin. Pow!
Oh.
What the?
Wow. Yeah. Let me know.
What?
Let me know. Y'all ready? Blue. 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 Y'all ready? Go, Kylie. Go.
Jump, baby.
Boo.
Top it off.
You did. Let's do one more. Ah, ooh. One more.
I've been waiting to do this. I didn't know if it was going to work.
What?
Man, don't do no backflip.
One, 2, 3.
He coming around. Hold on. I can't get both of y'all at once. Hold on, he can't.
I gotta go together.
3.
I'm about to do something I ain't never did.
We just did Memphis, y'all. It was off the chain. Memphis was off the chain. Thank everybody for coming out. You know, we in the big boy house with the famo. You know, next stop is who knows. It was crazy. I seen some cool people, seen some people I ain't seen in a minute. And man, it was a hell of a show. Man, Memphis, Tennessee, we did it. The first show we did it. In the M. Toya's birthday. Happy birthday, Toya. Look at the camera, Toya. It's her birthday. What's up? They want some salt. I'm gonna say Toya. Kaylee, pass the salt. It's on that end. Mar. Say what's that, Mar? Marlo.
No, man, it's okay.
Wave.
It's okay, baby.
Oh, you laughed like that because you was like a dog.
It's Toya's birthday. She's getting them. Yeah, she's getting up there.
Mom, you getting over? Pop told me to get the one from Mom. Mom, you over?
She got her tiara on.
Why you need
The queen of the day.
Is that good?
What are you doing?
No, okay, put it away like that. You can do it away like that. You can say all yours though.
Calm down.
Put some on mine.
It's the family. She loves saying this. She's something else, man. I got something, man.
Okay, I'm scared. I'm about to do it, Daddy. You ready? It's it.
Yo.
It's giant. Big giant. Big giant.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Cool. I'm recording it. Oh my God, he's huge. Hell yeah.
Are you zoomed in?
Yeah.
Alright, so what? I was tempted, but I threw away and that was my sponsor, so.